Now, between Bandita Utpadaya and Kritika Newar, Bandita from red corner and Kritika from white corner. Thank you so much. Please be fasting. The winner in the first position, 12-14 female, is Bandita Utpadaya. Congratulations to you. And the second winner is Kritika Newar, is the second position in 12-14 female. Now, the match will be between Bhumika Deparma and Karishma Boral. Karishma Boral, Bhumika Deparma from the red corner,
Ayo, ayo.
and Karisma Boral
Bisa
from the
kobor,
white
si
corner.
kobor.
Ayo.
This is a semi-final
Tiga.
match.
Tiga. Tiga.
Mau bisa kobor, si kobor.
Tiga sana. Tiga balik ke. Oh, देखिए वाह वाह देखिए वाह देखिए ला 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 बाला है हाँ बच्चे बच्चे बच्चे
Please be Shruti bombing session. Now, the winner is Gopal Mahajan. Now, Gopal Mahajan is on the final. Now, Orga Panda versus Sachin Guru. Orga Panda from red corner. Orga Panda from red corner. And Sachin Guru from white corner. Orga Panda from red corner. And Sachin Guru from white corner. To be ready for the next match. For this match. Orga Panda. Mr. Ashish Jalparman. स्टोरूम का चाबी किसके पास है? This is the heavyweight championship played between Orga Panda and Sachin Guru. King of Storum. Storum का चाबी किसके पास है? Now, the winner is Arga Panda. Now, for the third position, lightweight 16 to 18 years female. Now, this will be between Bhumika Debarma and Mari Singh Lumfi. Bhumika Debarma and Mari Singh Lumfi. This is for the third position. Bhumika Debarma and Mari Singh Lumfi. This is for the third position. Red side Bhumika, red corner Bhumika, red corner Bhumika, and white corner Muri Singh. Muri Singh white corner. This is for the third position. Bhumika Debarma in a red corner and Mari Singh Lumfi in a white corner.
तुरंत आ काम देंगे
सुबह से खड़े
आपने मेरे से ज्यादा साउथ खाया ना, इसलिए नेक खाते हुए देख सकते हैं। मैंने सुबह से देखा है। क्या बात है? अरे रेफरी करे, वो दोनों तो खड़ा है। Now, this match is फाइनल में लड़का दे देगा ना, वो कैमरा पे। In the final match, lightweight 16 to 18, there will be no head cut in the final. From the white corner to the final match, no head guard is allowed. I repeat, no head guard is allowed in the final match. I repeat, no head guard is allowed in the final match. Only chest guard is allowed. For the third position, the winner is Maricel Luffy. Now, final match. Lightweight 16 to 18 years female, 45 to 50 kg. The final will be between Karishma Baral and Arpana Tamam. No helmet is allowed on the chest guard. No head guard is allowed on the chest guard. No head guard. No head guard is allowed. Chest guard is allowed. Chest guard is allowed. Chest guard is allowed. Chest guard is allowed. Allowed. All the best, both of you. All the best, both of you. Karishma Baral from red corner and Apna Tamam from the white corner.
ऐसा बीच नहीं रहा मुझे सट्टा सौ दे कौन जीतेगा बोल 100 दे 100 रुपए दे जीतेगा सट्टा लगाओ कौन जीतेगा 100 में 200 मिलेगा 200 मिलेगा चल दे ऐसे दे जल्दी दे हाँ दे जल्दी दे अपना निकालो हम तो देंगे ना हमको सस्ता निकालो निकालिए
For the final match, lightweight 16 to 18 years female, 45 to 50 kg. The winner is Karishma Badal. Champion 65 kg ever, above 65 kg man, 43rd position. 43rd position. Sudhir Bhomik. Sudhir Bhomik. Sachin Grum. Sachin Grum. From the white corner, Sachin Grum. 43rd position. Heavyweight champion. Above 65 kg. Sudhir Bhomik present. Sachin Grum from white corner. Sachin Grum from white corner. White. Sachin Grum from white corner. This is red. That's white. Sachin Grum from white corner. And Sudhir Bhomik from red corner. Sudhir Bhomik is not present here. For the top position, the winner is declared as Sachin Grum. Now for the final match, the match will be between Gopal Maharjan from red corner, Gopal Maharjan from red corner, and Arga Panda from white corner, Arga Panda from white corner, Arga Panda from white corner, white, Arga Panda white, Arga Panda white, Gopal Maharjan red. This is the heavyweight, 65 kg, so big heavyweight. Gopal Maharjan from Nepal and Arga Panda from India. All the best for both the players. The winner is Gopal Maharjan. Now, heavyweight champion above 50 kg female. Heavyweight champion above 50 kg female. I'll let the call for the first match. Evangeline Clay versus Kapili Chetri. Evangeline Clay from red corner. Evangeline Clay will be from red corner and Kapili Chetri will be from white corner. Kapili Chetri from white corner. Evangeline Clay from red corner. Evangeline Clay from red corner. Evangeline Clay from red corner.
guard not allowed. Chest is allowed, na?
Only chest guard is allowed, head guard is not allowed.
Chest guard allowed. पहन सकता है ये नहीं पहन सकता. Boleh ni masuk telepon boleh man. Icha se bang.
Now, this is a heavyweight above 50 kg female. This match is between Evangeline Klein and Kapil Chetri. On the basketball of the player. Please, kindly all the ladies participant, I'd like to request you all, please put down your earrings and necklace. Please cut your nails before the match begins.